Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. Today's Christmas tags is using scraps of cardstock and die-cut words from my previous Christmas card series number 16. I used this holiday word dice from Hutson, and I already have that die cut, and these ones are the ones that I didn't use from my Christmas card series number 16, so I'm using these words for tags today. I also used this stamp set from Mama Elephant called Holly's Snowflakes, and I used this for the background of the Christmas card series number 16 and with Kaleidacolor tomato vine ink. I will leave a link of that video in my description box below so you know what I'm talking about. And I have my scraps of different colored cardstock. I also have those silver glitter paper. These are all in my scrap bin, and I just cut them into tiny strips. The tag die that I will be using for today's tags is from Knit and Tangled Classic Tag to Die Set. I die cut my tags from out of 110-pound white cardstock, and I also die cut gold glitter paper to add to the top piece of the tag. And I think the gold glitter paper is from MFT, my favorite things. And now I'm going to cover the tag with double-sided adhesive. You can use liquid glue, but I prefer to use double-sided tape. I think it's much easier for me than using liquid glue because liquid glue sometimes tend to get messy, so I like using double-sided tape. So now I'm going to adhere my strips of paper and try to butt them together and make sure they are aligned straight on the tag. After we adhered the strips on the paper, I'm going to cut the excess that are hanging off the tag with my bypass trimmer. Before I adhere the die cut words in front of the tags, I'm going to stamp to and from and on the back of the tags with Kaleidacolor tomato vine ink, and these to and from words are from Hero Art's color layering Christmas tree, and I'm adding a few of the snowflakes on the back as well. And now I'm going to adhere my word die cuts, and I'm going to pop them up with foam tape. I'm removing the release paper from the foam tape, and I will adhere them on the tag. And lastly, I'm going to add my red and white twine, and I will tie it on the tags. My twine is cut to 8 inches, and I think that's enough length for the size of these tags. After we are done with the twine, then our Christmas tags are finished. I hope you like today's Christmas tags, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.